digital HD video.
Hello, and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making some bang bang chicken. I love making this chicken. It is very easy. It's crispy, and the sauce is banging. Okay, let's get started. For our ingredients for our sauce, we have mayonnaise, Thai sweet chili sauce, sriracha sauce, honey, and lemon juice. For your chicken, you want your chicken breast cut up into bite-sized pieces. We have all-purpose flour, cornstarch, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt, black pepper, buttermilk, sriracha sauce, eggs. We have some panko breadcrumbs, and we have vegetable oil for frying. First thing we're going to do, we are going to make our bang bang sauce. In a small mixing bowl, we're going to whisk together our mayonnaise, our Thai sweet chili sauce, lemon juice, and honey. Our sriracha sauce, and we're just going to mix it up, and it looks so yummy. And we're going to set this aside for later. You can refrigerate it for the next day or whenever you're going to make your bang bang chicken. Now, we're going to move on to making our chicken in a medium bowl. We're going to combine our cornstarch, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, pepper, salt, flour. We're going to whisk everything to combine. In the same bowl, now we're going to add our buttermilk, our egg, and then our sriracha sauce. You want to whisk this together until you create a smooth batter. If the batter is too thick, you can add a tablespoon of buttermilk at a time until you have a smooth consistency that you have achieved. In a shallow bowl, we're going to add our breadcrumbs. Now we're going to move on to tossing our chicken pieces into our batter, making sure that each piece is completely coated into your batter. Next, you want to add your chicken to your panko breadcrumbs. You want to toss your chicken and your breadcrumbs a couple of times until your chicken is completely covered with your breadcrumbs. Set it on a rack or a pan. Now we're going to move on to frying our chicken pieces. In a large skillet or a deep fryer, which we are using a deep fryer, you want to heat your vegetable oil up to about 350 degrees. You're going to carefully add your breaded chicken in batches, making sure that you do not overcrowd your pan. We're going to fry our chicken anywhere from 5 to 6 minutes or till we achieve a golden brown color and your chicken is cooked through. You want to remove your chicken from the oil and drain on a paper towel. So we are frying our chicken. Here's our pretty chicken. It was so yummy and tasty. I love bang bang chicken. And the panko breadcrumbs make it so crispy. Now that we have finished cooking our chicken, so here we are drizzling our bang bang sauce over our chicken. Then I was like, I'll forget it. I'm just going to toss it because I wanted my chicken fully coated with my bang bang sauce. And this was really yummy. You could add more sriracha sauce. You could add more Thai chili sauce. You could taper it to your liking. I like a little bit more of the Thai chili sauce more than the sriracha sauce because, you know, it gets spicy with the sriracha, but it's yummy either way you decide to make it. Finish tossing our chicken into our bang bang sauce. And here is our bang bang chicken. It was yummy. It was delicious. And I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.